Ever wondered how that crisp, white sheet of paper you use daily comes into being? It's quite the journey, a blend of art, science, and engineering. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride as we delve into the fascinating world of paper manufacturing. Imagine a lush forest brimming with trees. This is where our journey begins. These trees, primarily softwoods like pine and fir, are harvested and transported to a paper mill. Here they are cut into smaller pieces and subjected to a process called debarking, essentially stripping away the outer layer of the tree. Now, a transformation begins. The debarked wood chips are cooked in a digester with water and chemicals, a process known as pulping. The pulping process breaks down the wood chips into individual fibers, creating a mushy, oatmeal-like substance called pulp. But we're not done yet. The pulp is then washed and screened to remove any unwanted particles. This is followed by a process called flotation de-inking, where air bubbles are introduced to the pulp, lifting the ink to the surface where it's scraped away. This process ensures that the pulp is as clean and pure as possible. Now the pulp is almost ready to become paper. But first it needs to be bleached to give it that bright white color we're all familiar with. This is done using chemicals like chlorine dioxide. The next step? Drying. The wet pulp is fed into a paper machine which removes the water, pressing and drying the pulp into a thin, continuous sheet of paper. This sheet then passes through heated rollers to remove any remaining moisture and to smooth out the paper. The final step is calendaring, where the paper is passed between heavy rollers to give it a uniform thickness and smooth surface. The paper is then cut into different sizes and packaged, ready to be shipped to stores around the world. So there you have it. A journey from a tree in a forest to a sheet of paper. It's a process that combines several engineering concepts, from the simple mechanical processes of cutting and debarking to the complex chemical reactions in pulping and bleaching. In summary, paper manufacturing is a multi-step process that involves harvesting trees, debarking, pulping, washing, flotation de-inking, bleaching, drying, calendaring, and finally, cutting and packaging. It's a perfect example of how engineering principles are applied in our daily lives, even in something as simple and common as a sheet of paper. The next time you jot down a quick note or print a document, remember the journey that sheet of paper went through. It's quite the engineering marvel, isn't it?